Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to change your Shopify store name in 2026. If you want to rebrand your store or fix your business name, this guide will help you do it step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready to make the changes. Now from the left-hand menu, click on Settings. This is where all your store configurations are located. Next, go to the Store Details or General Settings section. Here you will find your current store name and basic business information. Now look for the store name field and click on it to edit. Delete the old name and type your new store name carefully. Make sure your new name is simple, professional, and matches your brand identity, because this is what customers will see. After that, scroll down and click Save to confirm the changes. Now your store name will be updated across your Shopify dashboard. In some cases, it may take a short time to reflect everywhere. Keep in mind, this does not always change your domain name. If you want a new website URL, that needs a separate domain update. And that's it. Your Shopify store name has been successfully changed. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Shopify guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.